Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, facial mask. When it comes on to facial mask, we use a facial mask on the skin for many different reasons. We use a facial mask to tighten and firm the skin. We use a facial mask to hydrate the skin. We use a facial mask to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. We even use a facial mask to lighten and brighten the skin. However, it doesn't matter what you're using the facial mask for. It is very vital to use a facial mask on the skin. This is a part of your skincare routine, which is a really good practice, because they all benefit the skin in some way or the other. In today's video, I'm going to make an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle facial mask. This facial mask also will help to tighten and firm the skin. I'm using natural ingredients that are known to help the skin to look younger and also help the skin to have a natural glow. This facial mask is high in antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. All these three vitamins help the skin to look healthy and fresh. So if you're looking for a facial mask that's actually going to get the job done and give your skin and a beautiful appearance in no time once used on a regular, don't go away, continue watching the video for a full detailed recipe sharing each and every ingredient's benefit for the skin. And also at the end I will show you how to apply this and wear this on your skin for the most effective results. So continue watching. To make this recipe, you're going to need a blender since we're going to be doing some blending. My first ingredient is oatmeal. And oatmeal contains vitamins and minerals that are really great for the skin. However, the main reason for using this oatmeal is because it will help to clean those pores out. It will have to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin, get rid of grease and dirt, and it will also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines by tightening up and boosting the collagen production on the skin. Now what I'm going to be doing with this oatmeal, I'm going to blend it to a powder since I'm going to be making a facial mask. I'm using about a quarter cup of the oatmeal, and take a look at this up close. Now you do not need to buy the mixed oatmeal with sugar. You need the plain old oatmeal. Next ingredient is green tea. And we're using green tea for its antioxidant properties. Green tea helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and it has been used for centuries in skincare products. That's because it really do wonders for the skin. Today I'm using a tea bag, which is about a teaspoon of green tea. However, if you have loose leaf, go ahead and use it. If you do not have green tea and you have matcha powder, you can use that, or you can substitute the green tea with some chamomile tea. So I'm pouring 1 tea bag, which is 1 teaspoon of green tea, in my blender. Make sure to get everything out. And if you're using loose leaf, go ahead and use about a teaspoon also. And now we are reaching back for our oatmeal. And I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons or so of the oatmeal to the blender along with the green tea. We're going to be blending both the green tea and the oatmeal together. So take a look and give it a little shake. And now I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. Now after blending, take a look at our green tea and oatmeal mixture. Now for this mixture, you can store it in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to about 6 months. And when you're ready to make your DIY, just take it out and use it. You can also choose to travel with this powder, which makes it great. Now reaching for the liquid, and today I'm going to be using milk. I'm using the milk for its lactic acid, which will help to lighten, brighten the skin, get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. It will also help to get rid of the dead skin cells, clean those pores out, and leave the skin looking fresh and glowing. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the milk, and if you do not have milk, go ahead and use milk powder, or you can even use some evap milk for this recipe, or if you're vegan, use some almond or some soy milk. My next ingredient is honey, and we're using honey for its antibacterial properties. That means if you have acne prone skin or pimples on the skin, this is going to help tremendously. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the honey. I'm pouring this in the blender along with the oatmeal, green tea, and milk. A good substitute for the honey is some vegetable glycerin. So let's pour our 1 teaspoon of honey in the blender along with the rest of the ingredient. So right now in the blender we have oatmeal, we have green tea, we have milk, and we also have some rose water. And now we are adding the honey to the mixture. Now once this is done, I'm just going to take my spoon to make sure nothing is stuck in the bottom and just give it a little shake up. And then I'm going to place this on the blender and I'm going to blend. Now after blending, let us pour our oatmeal green tea anti-aging face mask in a bowl and take a look at this up close. At this time, this is a little watery, but this is how you want this to be, guys, because once you set this aside for a few hours, it's gonna thicken up tremendously. So make sure not to add more oatmeal to the mixture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set mine aside for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how to use this on the skin. Now to store this, store it in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. When you're ready to use it, if it's a little hard, add a little bit more milk or green tea. So don't go away, continue watching for the demonstration. Now to use this mask, you're going to apply it to clean skin. So use 1 tablespoon of the mask. You can use your hands to apply or you can use a brush. I personally like to use my hands. So I place the tablespoon of mask in my palm and then I'm going to rub it together like I'm showing here. Once this is done, I'm just going to generously apply it on my face. Now you want to cover your entire face with this mask, avoiding your eyes. Now once this is done, you are going to leave it on the skin for at least 30 minutes to dry. After 30 minutes, the mask is going to dry. You're going to feel a tightening sensation on the skin, and that is okay. Now rinse off, preferably with cold water. Then you pat dry the skin and apply your favorite beauty products. This mask is safe to use every day, but 2 to 3 times per week is good. Okay, so definitely guys, use it as often as you wish. This mask can be stored in the refrigerator for up to about 7 days. When it is done, go ahead and make a new batch. It's also good for the neck and décolleté. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share these recipes. Share them with people who may be interested in having their skin looking better.